In this guide, I'm going to break down tax brackets and help you understand exactly which tax bracket you fall into while filing your tax return with TurboTax. So first, it's important to understand that not all of your income is taxed at the same rate. The United States uses a progressive tax system, which means the more you earn, the higher tax rate applies only to the portion of income within each bracket, not your entire income. For example, in 2025, for single filers, the lowest tax bracket covers income from $0 to $11,925, which is taxed at 10%. The next portion from $11,926 to $48,475 is taxed at 12%. After that, income from $48,476 to $1,03,350 is taxed at 22%, and the rates continue increasing as income rises, all the way up to 37% for the highest income levels. It's also important to note that tax brackets are different depending on your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse, so your exact bracket depends on your personal situation. Now, even though these numbers may look confusing, the good news is that when you use TurboTax, it automatically calculates your tax bracket for you based on your income and filing status, so you don't have to figure out it manually, and that's it. That's how tax brackets work and how you can quickly find yours. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.